Okay, now I'm going to explain to you how to get ITV1 back on a Sky HD box. Notice the Sky HD box is black in colour, and the remote control has a R button for record on the remote control. Okay, with a Sky HD box, it's a slightly different technique to a normal Sky box. If you've got some old channels stored, it's a good idea to delete the old ITV stored from years ago. So if you press the services button, which is here on the remote control, you press the services button, and the yellow area is where you are. So you need to drop down. You need to drop down to Sky Plus setup, and then move across to other channels. So I press the arrow key down. I move down to Sky Plus setup, but I don't press select. Then I move right till I get to other CH, which means other channels. You see there's nothing there, but if I press select now, you can see that there was ITV well stored from years ago, because this used to be a strong channel years ago. So I need to press the yellow button on the remote control beside the green button, and I'll remove this ITV region. So I press Sky now to start from scratch. So first of all, I press the services button. You'll notice on the top left hand corner, options is in yellow. That's where you are. So now you need to move down to setup by pressing the arrow key down, and then move across to add channels. Then once you arrive at add channels, press the arrow key down to frequency. The yellow confirms that we're over the frequency, 11778. We need to change that to 11053. So how you do that is you press 11053, ignoring the decimal points. So I press 11053. Then I move down to the V underneath, and I press the right arrow key, which means horizontal. Then I move down to 27.5 underneath. Then I press the right arrow key, it goes to 22. And then I move down to 2/3. And then this time I press the right arrow key twice. If the right arrow key is not working, then you can use the left arrow key, it does the same thing. Then at the bottom of the screen it says yellow, find channel, so it's prompting us to find channel. So now I'm going to press the coloured yellow button on the remote control, and this pulls in the strongest ITV regions for Mallorca. Now in theory you only need to store one channel, but if you may delete the channels in the future, so I recommend that you store all of the channels. So now you press the yellow button on the Sky remote control and you get a tick, and then move down and store all of them. Since this is a Sky HD box, it's interesting to watch ITV in full HD. The only ITV in HD that's strong on Mallorca now is UTV, which is a Northern Ireland version of ITV1. It's exactly the same channel, except for there's regional news at 6:30. Apart from that, it's the same as ITV. So I'm going to store this channel too. Now, the most common problem is people only press select once. You need to press select twice. So it says press select when complete. I press select once. And then it says press select to continue, so I press select the second time. And now I press the Sky button on the top of the remote control to escape. To watch ITV, I don't press 103, I actually press services, then I drop down to setup, and then I move across right until I get to other CH, which means other channels. You'll see it's empty, but that's okay. Now if you press select, you will see the list of the stronger regions. ITV1, ITV1 plus 1 hour, which is the same channel, just 1 hour later. And also you have ITV1 HD, so now I'm going to press select. And you can see that works even on a small dish. You can't record ITV1 HD you can only watch it. If you want to record it, then we would need to give you a Sky card from Northern Ireland, which by default has ITV1, UTV, which is a stronger region. But if you've got a UK card and you just want to watch ITV, this is the way you do it.